Here I have copied the text of the task, and let's try to understand the problem and see if we can figure out what we're supposed to do. The first sentence tells us that we shall create a script that can interact with the user, and the user can input a number. Alright, so I'll mark input a number. We will have to remember that the number should be greater than 0 but smaller than 10. Then it tells us that the script shall repeat the question. Alright, it shall repeat the question until the user actually gives a number in the given range. So alright, we input a number and the script shall keep asking for a number until it's a valid number. And after that, the script tells us that we should let the user know that the number was accepted. So, alright, I think we have understood the text after having read it and have thought a little bit about it. Now let's try to devise a plan for how we can actually implement this. I'll start by adding the start and the end. And the first thing we see here is that we shall have some interaction with the user. We're going to read a number. We can start by adding the arrow right away here maybe. And let's see, after that it asks us to repeat it if it is not valid. And one way you can do it is as follows. We have read the number, so we have the number. So we can create a loop. If number is less than or equal to 0, or if it's greater or equal to 10. So if this is true, that it's 0 or smaller, or if it's 10 or greater, then we want to ask again. So, alright, that's what I'm trying to convey here. So then we should ask again, and then we can have that here maybe. But if it is a valid number, what should we do then? Then we shall display a confirmation. So let's see if what we have created here corresponds to what we were thinking before we started with our plan. So we start, and what do? We ask the user for some input, a number. Then we shall repeat the question if it is less than or equal to 0, or if it's equal to or greater than 10. If the number is less than or equal to 0 or greater or equal to 10, we input the number again and we continue here in the loop until it's a valid number. And when this becomes false then, because it's in the right range, then we will display the confirmation and then we will end the script.